Yeah, welcome guys. And in this video, I'm going to talk about these two business models that I have here for you that you can get started with and started making money, right? So the first one is affiliate marketing, and the second one is drop shipping, right? So I will compare these two business models together and see which is the one that you can get started with. Which one should you start if you have to start a business online to build a business online, right? So let's move into the affiliate marketing first and do some example on how to do it. So I will give you the explanation on it in just 4 minutes and you see that which one can you go to and start making money online, right? So the first one on affiliate marketing is that you promote some people's S products online, right? And you earn commissions per sales on affiliate marketing and no inventory or customer service. So you don't need customer service or inventory, and all what you need to do is to promote other people's product and you earn commissions online, right? So let's move into the drop shipping right now and see the difference between the drop shipping and the affiliate marketing, right? So you sell people's products, right, on affiliate marketing, but when it comes to the drop shipping right here, you sell products through your own store, right? It doesn't mean that you are the owner of the product like the affiliate marketing, but you are the owner of the store that you are selling that particular product that you are selling, right? So you own the store and supplier ship products to customers. Like you be the supplier, so whenever customers purchase something on your website, you have to deliver, you have to ship that product to your customers to be able to continue growing your audience that will buy from you, growing your brands that will buy from you. You see the difference between it that affiliate marketing doesn't need all this, but drop shipping, you own a website and you make deliver to your customers that order something on your store, right? So you handle customer service because there may be some customer that are having issue navigating on your website or doing some things, maybe registration or login. So you need a customer service, all right, that will be asset, that will be active for you to collect people on your social media page or your store, right? So these are the difference between the affiliate marketing and dropshipping. And you see the key difference right here, you see on my screen right now, the key difference right here is that affiliate marketing and dropshipping, the inventory is no, right? They have no for the inventory, and startup cost for the affiliate marketing is very low because you can get started today, right? You just join a particular platform and start promoting their products, then you make money. But when it comes to the dropshipping, it's low to minimum, right? Low to minimum means that it is low, and but you still need a lot of money for you to get started with. Imagine you want to create a store, you have to pay some people that will do it for you, it will cost you a lot of money, right? But when you get started with affiliate marketing, you can start with the free tools that you have, free things that you have, and you start making money online, right? So when it comes to profit control, when it comes to affiliate marketing, it is no, because in affiliate marketing we get a fixed commissions on any product that you are selling. If you are promoting clothes right now, you have a fixed commission on it that if you sell one product, this is the amount of money that you get. So you cannot control the profit. Only thing you can do is that you look for more customers so that the money that you'll be earning will be much higher, right? But when it comes to the drop shipping right here, it is totally yes. Because you are the owner of the store. You can just wake up today and say, this product, I don't want to sell it at 10,000 naira again. I want to sell it at 15,000 naira. I say, this product, I don't want to sell it at $10 again. I want to change it to $15 or $20 or $100, right? So when it comes to customer service, you don't need it in affiliate marketing, right? You don't need customer service in affiliate marketing. But when it comes to the drop shipping, you need what we call a customer service that will respond to your customer immediately they have issues, so that when they contact you, you will be able to reply to them and solve their problem on your particular store, right? So when it comes to branding, you don't need it in affiliate marketing because you are just selling other people's products. But when it comes to the drop shipping, you need what we call a branding. Like let people know you, just like a Jumia or Gigi, how they build their brand. That's how you too will build your own. That's what we call a drop shipping. It's just like the Jumia that you see, the person that own it is just doing a drop shipping, right? So he's not the owner of all the product that is on the Jumia, but he has one or two products on the Jumia that he owns, right? So you too can start today and you start making money. So let's move into the next step right here. And then the pro and cons of affiliate marketing right here is that it's easy to get started with. When it comes to affiliate marketing, it's easy to get started with. You can just go online and learn some few things, few step and tips that you can just start with, and it is low risk. because you are not taking money into it, right? You just jump into it and you look for a money, right? You look for what to sell and get commission, and it is passive income because you make money even when you are sleeping. You make money when you are working. You make money when you are eating. You make money, and when it's come to the cost of affiliate marketing, right? So it has less control. You cannot control what we call affiliate marketing because you cannot control how you collect money from people, right? So it is dependent on affiliate network that you are partner with. When it comes to affiliate marketing, if I'm working with platform A and you are working with platform B, and the platform B doesn't have something that make people come to it, and me that I'm working for platform A, that platform A people already know it very well. They will buy from me more than you that partner with the program A, program B, right? So that's how things works. Imagine, let's say I'm working with seller right now, and you are working with S partner. You know that S partner and seller, they are different platform, right? But they have more audience. Like some people want to join S partner and some people want to join seller. So just shows it like how many people want to join seller, how many people want to join his partner. That's how things work. So it depends on your affiliate networks. That's how you make money when it comes to affiliate marketing right now. So the final thoughts here is that both are powerful business model, right? But choose based on your goals, your capital, your times. Start small and scale higher, right? So when we talk about you choose the based on your goals, like what makes you want to come online and make money, right? You need to know that before you choose what you want to do online, right? So based on your capital, just look how much do you have to get started to set up this business model, right? The time, do you have time to be online or be active for you to do this business? If you are someone that doesn't have time, I will advise you to go for affiliate marketing. If you are someone that have time, go for dropshipping if you like it. And if you are someone that have capital, go for choose the one that suits you best, right? So I cannot choose for you. You just have to choose for yourself, right? And then start small and scale smart, right? So don't just put all the money that you have into a business when you just started, right? So you need to start small and scale it smart, right? So that I can make a lot of money from that thing right now. So if you find this video helpful, kindly like, share, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. And don't forget to go to the comment sections and let me know the one that you want to start with so that I can put you guys through how to do it. Like, I think I haven't dropped a video on the dropshipping, so maybe I can drop a video on the dropshipping, how you can get started. Like, if you are someone that don't have a lot of money to pay people to build a website for you or build a store, I can just show you guys how to do it and start your dropshipping process without spending a dime online, right? I will put you through the process every step by step. So don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and share these videos to others that need these videos for them to get started to make money online, right?